Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I would like to show you how to present Keynote in a Zoom room or a Zoom meeting with your presenter notes being shown on your end and the participants not seeing your notes. Alright, so I am in my Zoom room and I'm getting ready to share my presentation. The first thing I need to do is navigate to my Keynote presentation. So here's my presentation, and in order for this to happen, I will need to navigate to the play button on my toolbar. Instead of clicking play slideshow, scroll down to click rehearse slideshow. Now within rehearse slideshow, you'll notice that I have my presentation notes. If yours are not showing up down here, you can click on the three boxes right next to the X on the top right corner of your rehearse show, and then you can make sure presenter notes is selected. All right, now back in my Zoom room, I'm getting ready to actually present my Keynote presentation. So I'm going to click on the share screen button, the green button at the bottom of my Zoom room. Once I click on that, under the basic section, that's how you share your presentation that may be open already. But if you want the presentation notes to show up on your screen and not on the participant screen, click on the advanced button on the top middle of your share screen option. You then can choose a portion of your screen to share. So what I can do here is click portion of the screen and then click on share. It's now going to give me the option to go back into my Keynote, go to her slideshow, and then I can drag it here and make it smaller so that way my participants are just seeing this slide in their view. You'll know that because the green box is highlighted, they cannot see anything else going on. I hope this video was helpful for you in how to share your presentation in Keynote within a Zoom room or meeting. If this video was helpful for you, go ahead and like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.